Number 6. Are you ready, Anna?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then. For you, if you are to choose among power, prestige, and position, what are you going to choose and why?
Thank you, ma'am, for that question. If I will be given a chance to choose, I will choose power. Because I believe that power makes everything, power makes everything neutral. And then if you have power, you can command, you can make everything under your control. But I'm sure that my intention is right and without bias. If I have the power, I'll be a person who have a responsibility, will do everything for that position, and that will be all.